that actually was a or some was the day principle. Wushu.
Wala yung background. Palitan kulang yung video.
Wushu mga kaibigan, and kasama ko dito, si Redo. Pero tumakasama natin. Alam ko sinabi ng Clayton, ako yung mga yun. Wala aaral ka sa ulit. Pagka parang very much in sport. And to talk about Asian Junior Wushu Championship Singapore. Gagaspeda this month. Ay pag-usapan natin together with Deputy Secretary General ng ating Wushu Federation, Mr. Ram. Hello!
Mike.
Mayroon natin ng mic. Ginagawa ko rin. Si Redo, sa lahat ng Redo, itong green. Green ang back na. Very green na. Kung tayo sa Mr. William Tomato, sir, magandang hapon. Yeah, at really eating no further introduction. Kasi pag masamahin niyo kami kung ito, James, ni Mr. Red, Mr. William, talaga naman kinala. Ito nga pa, napakaganda, very likable, talaga naman mabata, matanda, hindi nila walang gusto siya. Hindi ba yan ganyan?
Hello po, hi. Good afternoon po sa lahat ng viewers. Hello po, good afternoon.
Yeah, yun lang nga po. So, kaya siguro ko naman kwento na akala siguro showbiz tayo, no? Gusto kami pa ako nag-relationship ng career, no? Sports pa rin po tayo. Siguro kaya pwede mo ang involvement po muna sa sport movie.
Well, recently po, Wushu Federation of the Philippines got me naging Wushu ambassador po ako for the next 5 years. And since I'm into Wushu, nag-excited yung Wushu po. And ngayon nagkatid na po, this month na ang 7th Asian Wushu Junior Championship.
Yeah, you do Wushu?
Yes, I do.
Wushu?
Yes, right, sure.
So, parang kasi na mo yung basketball, volleyball, kung paano.
Actually, kasi yung po show ko before, Wushu, may nag-villain kami ng Wushu. Si Fantasy siya, villain siya, nag-Wushu siya. And sabi ko, wow, gusto ko yan. Gusto ko try yan. And then, after 2 years of finding a Wushu school, I found my team. And Wushu Discovery, I joined the National Wushu Championship. And then, after years went by, and I'm happy to be part of the Philippines team in the Wushu Federation.
Alam mo ba kung nakita ko sa Wushu doon na umumunod?
Oo naman. Opo. Alam mo, yun an honor and it's a pleasure to be part of this.
Ayan. And Mr. Camacho, you might think of that about the major event regarding the sport na tayo
yes, actually, this year we won, the bid for host this 7th Asian Junior Wushu Championship. And this is the first time that we host this kind of championship here. Hopefully, in the future, we are going to bid more championship here.
To be with them person, may mga athletes sa Rico, and maybe even give us yung mga top bets ng sabi ko.
Of course, ang top bets natin, China. We have also Hong Kong, Macau, kasi marami silang they have cross the border, they have trade in China, so marami sila. Also, Southeast Asia, we have this Vietnam, we becoming very strong. Asia. Hindi naman tayo nagpapakuli ng Pilipinas. Actually, yes. Last ago, yung World Championship ginawa sa Turkey, we run number 5 in the world. We run number 5 ng Pilipinas.
So, Olympics, di ba?
World.
Nung
Yeah, 2008, sa Beijing, ginawang demonstrations ng puso. Nakakuha na yung nakasulting tayo ng isang gold.
Sige lang, hindi ka sabi sa
Ano yung sport ko?
gusto mo yung development. Hindi ko sabi, is it because of what of some races or what? Is it because of mga Chinese or mga kababayan natin, whether it's Chinese or half Japanese or half or Filipino or whatever, na involved sa sport.
We, in the first years, word na mga Filipinos and they know how to speak Chinese. But in the more recent years, mga nagkakasal Filipino na pati masabi na pati Filipino nila, Filipino na. So then, that's not just the concentration of hygiene. We would like to invite our confidence. Sabi kita mapapaya. The last World Championship with the juniors, lahat may gold medal. But last year, we won 1 gold medal, 2 silver medals, and a bronze medal sa World Championship. Kaya, the use of the race activities is confident kita na inspired or bumakano ba ito? The highest scope starting at ang tao. One get 100 gold medals in the international stage. Achieve na ng federation team after the It's 1987, 2013, Kumai always go ahead and reach around milestone.
I'm going to see one of the kids, alone, nicely. Pag sinabi niya, gold natin, di ba? Ako natin, di ba? Mas marami tayong very humble. Very yung involvement mo sa una, war ano hindi lang yung basta parang vision or
I actually competed so before and I got a bronze medal. And then I'm hoping and to be back for competition kasi medyo nag-busy na lang ako streaming. Pero I'm sure I will na.
Yeah, it's actually my question is, paano mo balance everything?
Well, ngayon po, wala na focus na classes na dating. So I can race.
But for the Asian junior,
I will be there. I can't compete for the 7th Asian Junior Week this year. Pero
parang pili ko rin. Pero start na tournament? Local or international?
Tingnan natin kung kailan kaya. Pero as soon as possible, I will learn.
Alright. Check on the sir. That was the SEA Games.
Also is included in SEA Games and also Asian Games. So, actually, yung mga senior national team natin, ang China, training nila yung end of October, babalik siya dito para pumunta ng Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, to complete the work and then after that, second, coming December, and then we also preparing next year for the
Wala nang problema sa pag-sige. So, pinagpag namin yung sige, ito ako problema. May kasama, may hindi kasama, may sabi ba? So far, wala.
as far as Muslim is concerned, wala
Kamugulo.
legal tension. Ang hindi natin yung goal pedal. Meron ng fix, yung chairman namin, EOC.
Na kasi sa'yo walang baka.
Ayan, yung para, walang EOC. But anyway, hindi na natin
Ayun, ang natawag yan. Wala. So, para tayo magkakapos sa mga siya,
Babalik ba ba? Hindi ito
we are working our time company for customers to watch and support our team members, our visuals, so that they could reach target 7 goals. We will report milestone natin. 100 goals. At ito po ay gagawin sa Makati Coliseum. August 11. We would like to thank the survey, the mayor of Makati, for accepting to be the costly of the world.
Kaya yung masasabi ko sa mga kababayan natin, kung meron kayo tayo, kapatid kayo, hindi naman, hindi naman, the champion will be at the Coliseum, and then, when it plays morning, afternoon, night, different games. So, pag-ibay kayo, go and watch our Musu players and give support to them para maka-win ng medalya pa. Okay, and that's it.
Opo, supportahan po natin ang Miss Philippines sa 7th Asian Junior Mushu Championship sa Makati Coliseum from August 8 to 11, starting from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. po yan, and supportahan po natin. And, ito, hindi lang sa support, pwede rin po kayo manood kasi maganda talaga, astig sa tingnan, astig sa panoorin nila. Who knows, kaya nyo, kung gusto nyo kayo rin, like, mag-compete rin kami. Ayan, ilang ko lang. I'll be here.
Yeah, so, pinag-unya lang, ating mga bago rin nila. So, para sa usang maganda yan. Big part lang.
Thank you po for having me here. Basta kita-kita ko tayo sa August 8 to 11 sa Makati Coliseum.
Okay, mga kaibigan, ang ating Wushu expert official ating passport. Let's go to this one, and the very modern more of the volunteer